Welcome to another Meditate with me. During this December, I decided to post daily meditations, and I think most of them are going to be recorded and then added the sounds and options and so on. But it's just nice to perhaps connect also personally. And that's why I decided to record a midweek meditation, so we can simply sit together, we can see what's present, we can be with it with kindness, non-judgment. That's just what mindfulness meditation is, to be present and simply notice what's happening. We don't necessarily need to change anything, we're just aware. We just keep ourselves present and let our minds, our bodies, our hearts simply rest and relax. So, as always, you can find a comfortable position. You can sit down, lie down, even stand, although I would suggest sitting down or lying down so you can fully relax. As you can see, I have quite a warm sweater on. You can hopefully wear something warm and comfortable. If it's cold where you are, maybe put a blanket on your body. Let yourself be cozy and fully relaxed. And then taking a few deep breaths, maybe closing the eyes if that's comfortable to you. If you decide to keep your eyes open, just don't stare at the screen, there's no point. I'll be closing my eyes, there will be nothing to see. So, just gently closing the eyes, or just turning the gaze downwards and noticing the breath. And when taking deeper breaths, noticing where the breath is easiest to detect. It may be in the nostrils, in the throat. Maybe you notice the movement of your chest and belly. Your entire body breathing. You can even place a hand on your chest and just feel the breath through your hand, through the movement of the chest. This noticing the breath, the connection to the breath, really brings you to the present moment. It's not easy to be somewhere else. When you ask to follow the breath. Just following the breath for a short moment. Allowing everything else to just be in the background. You may be noticing sounds from this recording or in your environment. Just let them be. We're always surrounded by some sounds. it's difficult to find a completely quiet spot. We still can be present with ourselves, regardless what's happening outside. For some people, it's difficult to focus on the breathing. You're welcome to just listen to sounds or notice sensations in your body, as long as those sensations are pleasant or neutral. Perhaps some tingling or warmth in your hands or feet. And just try and pay attention to your favorite anchor, the breath, the sounds, or the body, for a short moment of silence. And just breathing, being here is enough. No need to rush. No need to worry. No need to plan. December can be very busy, but you can allow yourself a little bit of break. And whenever you get distracted, you can return to the breathing, the body, the sounds. Relax and rest for a bit longer. Remember that this is your meditation, so make sure you're as comfortable as possible. It's okay to move, to change position. It's okay to reopen the eyes and look around if needed. To relax even more, you may wish to scan the body, noticing all areas, and if there's any tension, try to gently relax it, release it with the breath. Noticing the sensations in the face muscles and in the jaw. Unclenching the jaw, letting it drop. Relaxing the whole face and jaw. Then moving awareness down towards the throat and the neck. And then down to the shoulders. Letting the shoulders drop down from the neck. Letting the arms be heavy and relaxed. And then softening the chest and belly. Letting the chest and belly fully inflate with the inhale. And then deflate with the exhale. And just softening and relaxing. Down to the hips and the legs. Letting the legs be heavy, muscles relaxed. All the way down to the feet. Noticing how stable and secure you feel with your feet on the ground, perhaps. With your body being supported by the chair, or maybe your bed, whatever surface you're on. Notice how you're safely supported by the gravity as our planet holds us all. Feeling supported and embraced by the planet. And as you stay present to your anchor, to the breath or the body, to the sounds, you may be noticing other things appearing and disappearing. Maybe thoughts, maybe emotions, various sensations. You don't need to control them or push them away. They're all welcome here. Sometimes our minds are very busy. You can allow yourself this moment of rest, even if your mind is very busy. Even if it gets distracted a lot. Even if there's difficult emotions, perhaps discomfort or pain. If you notice any difficulties at all, Try to respond with as much kindness as possible. And perhaps placing a hand on the chest in the heart area. And feeling that kindness and care from the warmth of your hand, seeping right into your heart. You can imagine a friend sitting next to you, sharing some words of care and kindness. You can also say these words to yourself. It's okay. I'm here with you. Everyone faces difficulties sometimes. But I can take care of you. You can take care of yourself. You're safe and protected. You can be strong, brave, and most importantly, kind to yourself. Let these words really sink in. And simply return to the breath and the body. Let yourself rest again, relax. Maybe noticing that the body and the mind are a bit calmer. The heart perhaps is a bit more open. Enjoying it if it happens, but not forcing anything. Shortly we'll return and finish the meditation. But before you open your eyes, I invite you to take a few deep breaths. Perhaps slowly move your fingers and toes. Slowly and gently open the eyes so you don't get blinded by the light. Maybe stretch, move your body when you're ready to stand up or return to your activities. Thank you for joining today. I hope you enjoyed this relaxing meditation with me. And of course, I hope you enjoy the December recordings I'm posting each day. If you wish, you can always like and subscribe and share your comments and thoughts down below. Thank you and goodbye for now.